Hello and welcome back to Asia Bound. I'm going to do a budget breakdown for you today. I'll include everything here in Penang. I'll go over the cost of the apartment here, all the expenses including a rental car, which is much more expensive here than it was in Vietnam, and give you a chance to get the budget tracker from me if you would leave a comment, and I will send it to you. You can find my email also in the description. So let's go take a tour of this beautiful apartment that I secured for 2 months here in Batu Fringi, which is in the north side of the island. Also, please subscribe and check out the little button, the money sign button down there. You could donate some money and check out the memberships, which are from $2.99 to $9.99. I'm going to use all that money for a charity here in Penang. Okay, let's go. I booked this 2-bedroom apartment here at Sri Sayang about 2 months before I came here. It's pretty expensive, $700 a month, but it's a service department, includes cleaning, laundry, and the facility is very nice. So yeah, things are more expensive here in Malaysia, no doubt. Okay, I'm going to start out with a little apartment tour here. This place is okay. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, nothing fancy. Nice little area, great balcony with a great view on the 26th floor, so that's really cool. So let's take a look at the bathrooms and the kitchen and the bedroom and the view, because I like it here. The kitchen is pretty utilitarian, no big deal. Medium-sized refrigerator, nice little counter to do my stuff, a hot plate and a toaster and a device to make hot water. Kind of cool. The sink is pretty bare bones. It's okay though, I like it a lot. There's the master blaster bedroom. Didn't make my bed, gosh darn it. Well, this is a pretty small bedroom really. No closet or anything, so that's kind of a bummer. So I hang my clothes up here. A little side table. And let's take a look at the B room. Quite small, but it has everything you need. And the traditional Asian hot water heater, instant hot water, works pretty well. Water pressure's okay. I keep the bum gun on the floor because the holster for it is behind me there, so it's really kind of hard to reach. So I just keep the thing on the floor. I guess that's kind of weird. And the other bedroom has a nice little bathroom right next to it. Let's take a look at the bedroom first. Quite small, 2 beds, 2 single beds. Pretty cool. My brother stayed here. I think he said it was pretty comfortable. It's a quite small room, still no closet, which is kind of a bummer. And here's the second bathroom. There's the living room area. I use the table there, the dining table, for my workstation and a place to eat. Got a little table in the center there and a TV that I never use. I think I turned it on like 3 times. I just use my computer to watch YouTube. The only thing it has is YouTube. It doesn't have any international channels or anything, even though there is a dish outside. Let's go look outside. Oh, here's my beautiful view. I mean, man, oh man, sunsets, absolutely stunning, beautiful. Here's that dish that I was talking about. It really only gets internet and no international channels, unfortunately, but that's okay. I got a nice little table where I sit often, drink some coffee, hang out, take a look at the view. I mean, man, it's cool. I was told in advance that there is construction going on, and it is kinetic. I mean, man, they're taking a break right now. There's only one guy down there working a lift. It's quite loud. The noise really doesn't bother me. Everywhere I've lived here in Asia, Vietnam, Thailand, most places, there's construction going on everywhere, especially Vietnam. I guess it's kind of the same here in Malaysia. Yeah, there's construction going on here everywhere. especially in Vietnam, in Da Nang and Saigon all the time. Not much construction when I lived in Thailand for a year and a half. I was in Jom Tien and Chiang Mai. Since Chiang Mai had a fair amount going on there, but two older cities, which there's not a lot of room for construction, so it wasn't that big of a deal there. Oh yeah, there they go, construction. Yeah, the one complaint I do have about this place is there's no air conditioning in the living room space. It's the largest space in the apartment, so man, it's kind of a bummer. I requested a fan, as you can see right over here, to be added to the room. There is that ceiling fan that you saw in the shot earlier. I leave the door open a lot. I leave both doors open, the door behind me here and the sliding glass door to the balcony open. I keep the fan blowing so that there's circulation in the room. So that works pretty well, but it's kind of a bummer because it's hot here. It's Malaysia. Yes, please comment on this video and leave a request for the monthly budget tracker. I will definitely send it to you. Let's just go over really quickly some of the highlights of the budget. Transportation here, I had rented a car in Thailand, in Chiang Mai. It was $250 a month. Here it's $500. Everything is more expensive here. Beer, wine, cocktails. It's all triple the price of it was in Vietnam. I think that it's Malaysia. It's a Muslim country. There's probably a sin tax and some heavy tariffs on that kind of stuff. So it's much more expensive. A night out here is like triple the cost of a night out in, say, Saigon or Chiang Mai or Jom Tien, Thailand. So yeah, man, it's expensive here. So you may be wondering, what is my overall conclusion about living here? I'm very happy that I came here. My 1 month in KL was fantastic, Kuala Lumpur, and my 2 months here in Penang, I've got about 4 weeks left. Very, very nice. The quality of the food here is one of the highlights. I really love the food and the diversity of the food. There's Indian, there's Chinese, there's Malay. It's really great here. I'm totally happy with being here, even though the cost is quite a lot higher. I'm not able to save very much money, but I don't regret coming here. A very worthwhile place to come. So thank you very much for joining us here at Asia Bound. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out the little money sign at the bottom there. Click on it, send a few dollars. Check out the memberships. I will be giving all the money to charity. I'll probably do another charity fundraiser here, and I'll use that money to promote the charity fundraiser. And so yeah, it'll be a worthwhile cause. So thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for viewing. We'll talk to you later.